Hello, Ms. Wilson. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. I know you are very busy today.
My door is always open to my employees. Now tell me, I understand you have questions about the website?
I actually have a comment. I noticed that there was not much thought given to the concept of information design by the original website designers. Our website is similar to this example here, which is cluttered and distracting. The website is rather complicated, and information is not arranged in an effective or logical way. Even the sitemap is incomplete. If you look at the website, then you notice that the same information is not available on the sitemap.
I must admit, I never considered the sitemap very important. I usually do an internet search for anything I need.
Yes, but our company website is not organized in a very intuitive manner. This is an example of good website design. It is focused, and the navigation bar is very accessible. A well-developed sitemap is another service that can be provided to the customer. The sitemap meets a variety of goals. It helps the designer stay organized, and it helps visitors find their way around the site. It is another way to transfer information from the source to the audience.
Okay. Since you feel so strongly about this, put together a presentation for the management staff meeting next week. The presentation should discuss information design, how it can help us improve our website, and your proposal for a better sitemap.
I will do that. Thank you for your time. I am going to call my friend, Professor Archie, to see if he can give me tips for the presentation. Thanks for meeting me, Archie. The coffee here is great, and we will be able to review my presentation without any interruptions from my colleagues.
It's good to see you, Joanna. This is a subject I feel very strongly about, and I am happy to help you clarify the most important points to the management staff. I suggest you start the meeting with an explanation of information design, information mapping and information architecture. You can also include information from Johnson Alola's research on mapping. This will be the basis for your discussion on sitemaps. After all, information that cannot be easily retrieved when needed is useless. So, also show them examples of bad website designs, because you want their support with all the work you will be doing on the site. Your position as the company's technical communicator is critical for instituting changes that lead to better relations with the client.
This is why I wanted to meet with you. Because you would give me good guidance before the meeting. As the technical communicator, I need to be able to articulate the concept of map making in order to reinforce the design of information as a critical part of maintaining searchability and findability. I will also have examples of confusing sitemaps that make the visitors wish they had never clicked on the link.
You will need to discuss information design, information architecture, and information mapping. This means taking a holistic view of the website, its design and its content. Most important, working with these definitions in mind means working with the audience in mind.
Right, always thinking of how the audience can easily get to the information we want them to have. Thank you. It has been great talking with you. Now that you understand information design, information architecture, and information mapping, you can see why sitemaps are the visual display of design offered to guide the readers through ArchitSpace. They are another information design practice, emphasizing organization and arrangement of information. Think of the website as a document. You are using it to transfer information from the source to the audience. An expert in the field, Johnson Alola, argues that technical communicators should view themselves as map makers, not only as authors of texts. As this company's new map maker, I suggest to you that the website is currently a maze. Website visitors are finding their way to the site, but are having a very difficult time finding their way around or out of the site. We need to turn this maze into a very easy to navigate and effective map. Sitemap designs can be graphical, hierarchical, or textual lists. This is a hierarchical map that works. The move has been to go from graphics to lists of categories, not just alphabetized lists. I think that a textual sitemap will work well for our company's website. Any questions or comments?
Great job, Joanna. Management has approved all your suggestions. Keep up the good work.